Hello, my name is Sayyid Mohammad Anasir, and thanks a lot for providing this opportunity. So back in 2020, I got a chance to present my electric Formula NED in a technical perspective in an online competition, which is FSA Australasia 2020, and we came out third in this competition. So after graduation, I got selected in NES Global Talent. So for an assignment at Halliburton, which is regarding MLWD site engineer. So it is the real-time data acquisition from drilling wells. So while doing so, I came to notice the engineering consultancies cost clients an hefty amount, and they are also a reason for the scope 3 emissions as well. That means the environmental footprints. There what Fluxiss comes in. So back in 2024, we have started this engineering consultancy, and the purpose of it to reduce the engineering consultancy cost and the environmental footprints as well. So Fluxiss is a one-stop solution for the engineering solutions as well, and it also provides the remote services, so we can reduce the cost as well as the environmental footprints. So we don't have like offices at our disposal. So we don't have like the operation cost. And the secondly, relocation also. So thereby we don't have the environmental footprints. So at Fluxiss, we provide many services. So it all started with a pipe stress analysis only. But as the work goes along, we have like added many services as well. So we have clients from all over the world, like mainly from USA, Italy, France, and some of clients from KSA and UAE and Mexico. So far, we have made a revenue of around 52,000 USD. The gross profit is around 52.8% so far, and we are looking forward to expand our services. Let's shake hands and make this business even more successful and bigger. Thanks a lot.